What's up mga kabarkadas? So this is the Community Engagement, Solidarity, and Citizenship series, and I will discuss about the community dynamics and community actions. So what is community and why do the people need to study about it? Because it helps us understand kung paano tayo mamuhay at mabuhay together better. By studying this, we can learn about how people cooperate, solve problems, and support each other. So, dako naman tayo sa geographical community. Geographic community naman are group of people who live in the same location with the same interests. Non-geographical community is who share the same interests but not the location. Micro-level community are small group of people who interact with each other. Nag-i-interact sila as a small group araw-araw. Next is micro-level community. A micro-level community naman are a large-scale community and share common rules and values. Next is importance of studying community. Why is importance to studying community? In simple terms, nakakatulong kung paano natin i-share ang resources and solve the problems efficiently in a community. Importance of community actions. Bring people together para i-address ang shared challenges and improve for a long-lasting quality of community. So, there are 3 parts of community actions. So, first is understanding. In short, kung paano naiintindihan ng mga tao ang isang bagay. Number 2 is engagement. Ang engagement naman is being active, involved in a community, participating in an activity or task efficiently. And lastly is empowerment. Kung paano nakakapagbigay ang tao ng confidence, skills sa iba, and take control of their own lives. Naway may natutunan kayo sa panibagong aral. Yun lamang, paalam!